And theirs as well. Oh, look.
Hello and welcome back to another Steve Does Thursdays. Right, we've been next door. This is boxing off everything. And we picked up these 4 baked jacket potatoes, and they were $1.90. I can't get it wrong. $1.99. Penn's not a fan of these, to be honest, but I said do a quick lunch. So you can air fry them, stick them in the oven and do them in the microwave. I think we're going to go high tech and we're going to do microwave air fryer, because that's how Penn generally cooks our baked potatoes. I can't see a bloody thing. They've got energy, they've got fat, they've got all that shit. No, there you go. Can you see it? So if you do them in the oven, 220,
55 minutes.
55 minutes. Seems a long time for potatoes.
It's already pre-cooked.
Pre-cooked, yeah. Anyway, air fry 180C, 35 minutes. Microwave 800 watts, 6 to 11. If you
6 minutes for one, 11 minutes for two.
yeah. Based on 1 potato, 6 minutes. Based on 2 potatoes, 11 minutes. Yeah. 800 grams. This box is bloody heavy.
Open it up and have a look.
Not bad size, to be honest.
They're alright for a lunch or to go with something,
Yeah.
but on their own.
I mean,
no.
we picked up 2 jack potatoes because we're having steak on Sunday, if I'm feeling up to it. And they're not much. They are a little bit bigger, but we didn't buy. Have you noticed jacket potatoes in the shops are getting smaller, like everything else? And it's got nothing to do with age. But they're all roughly the same size. I don't know how many we're having. So that's my introduction. Wonderful, wasn't it? We'll be back in, for you, no time. See you soon.
Right, they're out of the air fryer. I did about 12 minutes in, because I've cooked all 4, but we've only got 1 each on the plate. 12 minutes in the microwave, and then they've had 15 minutes in the air fryer. And this is how they look. Now, one thing I do like on a jacket potato is a crispy skin. I actually probed them, and they're about 95, so I know they are cooked. Just a little bit of leftover salad on the side, but obviously you want to know what Steve thinks, so we'll swap places and be back.
Right, but it don't look too bad. I have no idea what this is.
Your leftover salad.
Right, let's have a look. They're bloody hot. Oh, maybe a little bit hard. So a toast with some butter. I think they're a little bit hard. Right.
Now, you never eat a potato without salt on it.
No, there's no salt. It's not a taste thing. They are a little bit hard.
How many times have we found that lately with jackets?
Even with fresh potatoes, if you like. Yeah.
I mean, you can see how hot it is. It is. Oops, I don't like this. It's steaming.
It's $1.99 cheap. There are other versions of this. Bit more butter for me, obviously. some salt, and apparently I'm doing some gardening. They're okay, so I'm going to go 2.5 stars. They're all right for a lunch, which this is now our lunch. So, not terrible. Put in the comments down below if you'd like me to try the other makes of these, and then if we get enough people say yes, maybe I'll do a comparison. But if you're in Farmfoods and you have a morning and you think, oh, what can I have for lunch? They'll do. They'll be all right. So thank you for joining us. Pen's now holding the camera. I'm sure she'll say ta-ra before she switches it off. And please subscribe, please like, please ding the ding-a-ling, and we'll see you again for another episode of Steve Does Thursdays. Keep cooking.
Hello, Dad.
Keep cooking.
Keep cooking.